it, drop it. Okay, let's start with your arms down by your side for me. Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. One more time, please. All the way out. Good. All right, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. So go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time for me, deep breath in. All the way out. Do me a favor, point your toes down for me. Very good. How did that feel?
Yeah, that felt good. I felt it all the way down.
Awesome. Same thing here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Wow, good release. So head to the side for me. Just relax that shoulder for me. So just drop the head to the left, drop it.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. How'd that feel?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So head around my hand. Just drop that shoulder for me. Come in. Just relax it, drop it, drop it. Wow. How'd that feel?
That felt good.
Good.